Hello everyone, my name is Akash and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of Honor TWS earbuds. So let's just get started. So here's the box, and as you can see that here it is printed Honor Choice, and guys its name is Honor Moecen True Wireless Stereo Earbuds, and here it is written that 24 hours battery life is there, dual mic noise cancellation for calls, premium sound quality, and IP54 splash and dust resistance. So now let's just open the box and see what we get inside the box. So the first thing which we get is the quick start guide, and guys this quick start guide is in English, so it's a good thing, and you can read it about these earbuds. And apart from that, the second thing is the case, and guys here it is written that for the first time use you have to place the earbuds in this case and close it for 10 seconds, and after that you can pair your earbuds with your smartphone. So this is the case, and now let's see how's the earbuds. So as you can see that the first one is here, and this is the second one, and guys if you can see that it's already blinking, so it's in the on state, and you can see this LED inside this earbuds. So we'll see how it will work, and let's see what else we get inside the box. So we have this USB Type-C cable, a small mini cable for charging, and apart from this we also get some ear tips, and the ear tips guys one is pre-applied as you can see, and there are two more here. And guys as you can see that the case is very light in weight, and it has a Type-C charging at the bottom, and on the front it has a notification LED, and that's it. So guys, these are the inbox contents of the Honor Moecen TWS earbuds. Okay, so now let me just put these earbuds in the case and close it for 10 seconds as it was stated on its sticker, and then I will pair it with my smartphone. Okay guys, so to pair these earbuds with your smartphone, you just need to open the case after 10 seconds as I did, and after that you just need to search in Bluetooth and tap on the wireless earbuds, and once done it's been connected to your smartphone. Also guys, let me just tell you that once you will do the pairing, and after that whenever you will open the case, it will connect automatically with your smartphone, and make sure that the Bluetooth is on of your smartphone, and when you close the case it will automatically get disconnected. So guys, this was the unboxing of Honor Moecen True Wireless Stereo Earbuds, and guys these are available on Flipkart from 16th October at a price of rupees 2499. I'll put the link in the description below, and if you like my work, so hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So take care.